Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix this error here, E0-17. So without further ado, let's get started. First step, what you need to do here, you need to open up settings. Then you need to go to network and internet and then find your internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, press Wi-Fi. If you're using Ethernet, use Ethernet. Click on Ethernet. In my case, I use cable, so it's Ethernet. I need to press on it. And then here, we need to look for metered connection and make sure it's off. And after that, look if the problem persists or not. Next up, on search write run. Then here you need to write gpedit.msc. And then here you need to press computer configuration, then administrative templates. I will expand this like this. Then you need to go to and press on Windows components. Then scroll down until you see Windows. You should see Windows error reporting. So it should be somewhere here. And then you should see disable logging, right? And then you need to make sure it's set to not configured, because any other option can prevent you from basically launching the game. That's pretty much it. So if I help you out, please press like.